Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A bit of a quickie today. Just come across this on the internet on Martin Lynch and Sons. It appears there is a new Yaesu HF50 VHF and UHF all mode field transceiver, so that's exciting. It's a Yaesu FTX-1F, and if I can scroll down with one hand, better cans. It boasts, here we go, 9 hours of operation with an internal battery and the opportunity to stick a tuner on the back of it. Compatible with wires X if that's your thing. USB support CAT operation, which you would hope for, and it's got a 4-inch screen. Let's just scroll back up to the top. Very excited this. Not the best picture in the world, but it looks very similar to the FT710, so maybe this is the replacement for the older, more traditional Yaesu sets that were around before. Not the 891s, but the ones smaller than the 891s. So this is very exciting. There you go. £50 will secure you a place in the queue, I guess. Early 2025 it's going to be available, so yeah, get your letters in Santa Claus and let's see what happens. Thanks everyone. 73s.